Have you been trying to manifest something that's very important to you, but you just haven't been able to make it happen? Well, I'm a certified spiritual life coach, and I work with women all the time to help them to get over the blocks that they're having and bringing in to their lives what they want to have in their lives. And in this video, I'm going to describe to you what those blocks are, what causes those blocks, and how you can overcome them so that you can create what you want to have in your life. What happens is that if you listen to the manifestation coaches, the majority of them will tell you that you should create a vision board, visualize, affirm, and get into action, which are all necessary things if you want to go through and manifest something. But what they don't tell you is that if you're going to be so rigid about making it happen, you're going to create resistance and it's going to be much more difficult to make it happen. And the more you want something, the more you're worried about not making it happen, the more you're worried about having to prove yourself, the more stress you're going to put on your nervous system so that you won't be able to bring that in. It's like if you put your hand out and you make a fist and you hold that for a few seconds, you'll feel how stressful that is. And that's really what you're doing to your nervous system, to your body, when you want to create something and you are putting that tension, not sure if you're going to be able to do it, doubting yourself, doubting if it's for you. And it's totally different from just taking a deep breath, opening up your hand, and relaxing and allowing what it is that you want to have happen come into your life. That's the way to do it. And yes, you need to do the vision boards, you need to visualize, you need to affirm, you need to get into action. I'm not saying not to do those things. What I'm saying is that you have to be so relaxed that it's almost as if you don't care whether or not it's going to come. When you're that relaxed, then it's going to happen. In fact, think back into your life when you created something that you really wanted to have happen. Maybe it was getting a date with somebody or getting married or getting a job. And you may have been very nervous about it at first and you wanted it to happen and you were just so forceful about making it happen that you just had to relax. You put too much tension on it as it was. And you just relaxed and then you were able to have it come in. In fact, why don't you write down a list of things that you have created, that you have manifested? And you can look at those every day and see what you have done, whether it's a list that you write or images of things that you've created. Through looking at those every day, that will help you to relax so that you can see that, yes, you can manifest. And when you're relaxed enough, you'll bring this thing into you that you really want to bring in now. And if you like where I'm going with this, why don't you join me for a workshop that I'm going to be hosting on September 10th, Why You Can Manifest, and we're going to go even deeper into manifestation. And if you'd like to go even deeper into something, intuition is necessary in order to manifest. You have to know what's the right thing for you to be manifesting. And if you'd like to go deeper into that, I've created another video about intuition that you can access right here.